Hello friends, welcome to Karen Cube YouTube channel. Today I tell you in 4x4 cube how to make green and orange. So holding process, white at the bottom, yellow at the top. In the last video, look at my last video, you will find how to make these colors home. Blue is ready, red is ready. Now green. This is my blue home and the opposite is green home. So this is your green home and this is your orange home. So what you can do, simply rotate. You know very well this is your green home. Okay. So rotate this layer, come down and back. Same process every time. So how to correct? Same way, 3x3, white at the bottom, yellow at the top, blue in your front, blue, then red in your right hand. In your left hand there is an orange home and back opposite blue there is a green home. So by this way all centers are done. Just practice this much. In next video I will tell you how to make the solving the edge pieces. Okay then, see you. Bye bye.